Good morning, dear children. Today we are here for our English class. This class is for both A and B. Today we have to open out our grammar textbook. Grammar text, basic English grammar and composition for class 4th. Okay. So far we learnt the what is that called in 6 chapters. Just it's an revision for you. So first chapter you learned is a parts of sentence, isn't it? Parts of sentence. Now second one you learned is what is that? So second chapter all about sentence and phrases. Now, what is sentences and phrases? You have revised and you learnt first semester also. Now, third chapter dealing about it all parts of a sentence. That is, parts of sentence is a subject and a predicate. That is a parts of sentence. Third chapter you have learnt how to distinguish between the subject and the predicate. Fourth chapter you are dealing is statements and questions. Now what is statements and what is questions? That also you have learned. This is just an revision. I am just reminding you the grammar part before going into the new chapter. Now sixth one, how we use WH family. WH family means I told you when, where, what, which, who, why, how. So these are belong to all WH family. That was that chapter. Now seventh chapter you learned is all about negative and positive sentences. All about negative and positive sentences. Now next chapter comes is then you did the remembering it all. Remembering it all means that you have to do the revision of it by yourself. You have to do the revision and you have to write in the class. I have already explained to you that how you have to do that page number 23. Already we finished 23, 24 page. Now we are coming to the parts of speech. Now these parts of speech we have learnt in the third standard also. Understood? In the third standard also you have learnt it. These parts of speech. You always say there are 8 parts of speech. That is correct. Now these parts of speech we have to go in details. Not just reading, no. You should understand what you mean. Now just parts of speech you cannot. Okay. Now chapter 8. Open on page number 25. Page number 25. That is parts of speech. Now there are 8 parts of speech. How many speeches are there? 8 parts of speech in the English grammar. We use the different parts of speech while writing in and speaking English. We write and we speak. We use them. We use. Now, how we use, we will see in the details. The names I will tell you. First is noun. Second is pronoun. Third is adjective. Fourth is verb. Fifth is adverb. Sixth is preposition. Seventh is conjunction. Eighth is interjection. So all these are parts of speech. Now whenever asked certainly, what are the parts of speech? Immediately should able to tell. You have learnt in class 3rd also, 2nd also. I think somewhat you have did a revision of it, isn't it? And now here we come. First parts of speech with the definition. First one is noun. First one is noun. Today we will learn only 2. First is noun. Second is pronoun. Rest Slowly, slowly you learn as you understand. Okay. Now coming to the noun. First one. So, in this videos section, we will first go to the what is that called parts of speech noun. Now, what is noun? What is a noun? It's a word. It's a word. Now, what I said, it's a word. Noun is a word. So, which tells us name of a person, place, action, an animal, or a thing, or a quality. Now, again, what I say is noun is a name of a person, place, an action, an animal, thing, quality, or state. Now, these are the words which are the words in details we will see. Now, these are the words which we can think much more about the nouns. As we see in the detail, we can think much more about the noun. So, now we can move on. What I said is, noun is a name of a person. So, here are some names, persons' names. Now, Rahul, Anita, Ashok, John. All these are name of a person, given the name, permanent name for the person. So, these nouns all, so what I say is noun is a name of a person. Now, move on to the next, what is that point? Name of a place. Now, I already said the names, fixed name which are given to the person. Now, let's move on to the next is a place. Here are some names of the place, that is, let us go through it. Bhopal, Delhi, Mumbai, Bihar, Chennai, Bangalore. So all these are name of places. So now what is noun here? Noun tells us a name of a person, place. Now person is over, place is over. Isn't it? Now here we coming to the third point of it, that is a thing. Noun is a name of a person, place. Now we are coming to the thing. Now what are the things here? I'll go through it. Now examples I'll tell you: marker, duster, camera, TV. So all these are the things. Now once more we are saying that noun is a name of a person, place, thing. Now first you learnt is person. Second you learnt is place. Now third you learnt is thing. See, this is the way which I explained to you step by step. Now next we moving to the next point. So what I say is noun is a name of an animal. So name of an animal or bird is also is a noun. So we have some more examples. So we will go through it. These examples. The first one is what? I'll tell you is peacock, parrot, cow, dog. So all these are what? Nouns. These are nouns. These are animals' names as well as birds' names. Peacock is a bird, whereas cow is an animal. Parrot is a bird. Dog is an animal. Now, here we say noun is a word that tells us name of a person, place, thing, or an animal. Now you see, in a noun, you learnt name of a person, place, thing, or an animal. These many things you have learnt. Now, what is a noun? You are able to say. Now, move on to the next. Noun is an action. How it is action? Now, here we have some examples. Work, judgment, pollution, all these are shows an action. Understood? Now, noun is an action. Next, we are moving to the point is which shows a quality. Somebody's quality. She is a sincere girl, sincere or truthful, silence. All these are honesty, the quality. Now you see, you learnt already. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, an animal, an action is an quality. Oh, understood? Now, coming this, what is a noun? Now you know the definition. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, an action, an animal, or all the statements. All these are coming under noun. So you learnt, understood? Now you learned the places I told you, things I told you, then animals, the what is that, an action, how it is an action, noun is an action, I said. Okay, now finally this is the definition. Noun is a place, name of a person, place, thing, or an animal. Now coming to the next is what is that called, next is our pronoun. Okay, now I told you today we will learn the pronoun, but more than 10 minutes I won't give you the video section because you have other subjects also to listen to them as in the video. So okay, today enough. This is a noun, only this much enough. Noun is a word which what says and everything I explained to you, only you learn today noun. That's enough. You learn and this video you follow it. Okay then, have a nice day. Do well. Keep yourself safe. Okay, thank you. Bless you.